We have pharmacy and poison board as a devolved function. Health is a devolved function. And so pharmacy and poison board should be devolved. This election is very vital to this country. We need to make our citizens healthy. But hii maneno ya ufisadi hapana. Election kupelekwa Mombasa. This is a national election. Let's go to our branches. We have Central Branch, Nairobi Branch. Let's do campaign to every branch. Let's look for votes from the grassroots.
We as a pharmacist, we want to desist, call all members to desist from participating in Mombasa election.
Of this association to revoke their wordings of the CDB points. It is unfair for the board to enact a role which is not even passed within the parliament. 6 years for the professional is unfair. There's no way that you can study 4.5 years. Then you stay 2 years doing the board examination. Then after 2 years, then you are supposed to stay another 6 years. This is abnormal. This is unfair. And this is killing professionals in this industry.